How to turn on or turn off Summarise Transcripts for voice and call recordings on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, open up the phone application. Next, tap on the More button and the menu will appear. Tap on the Settings button. Once you are in call settings, go down and tap on Record Calls. Then tap on Transcript Assist. And in here, we go to the top and tap on Summarize Transcripts. Here at the top, you can tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. And here it said, use AI to automatically create summaries of voice and call recordings. Call and voice recordings need to be transcribed before they can be summarized. When you summarize recordings, their transcripts will be processed online unless process data only on device is turned on. So you can turn on at the bottom here for added privacy. So here we can ask the device to process data only on device. And that's it. After that, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.